Maybe my turn give away father.
Oh, but I never am alone still. The next one did there. And you see him now, and him me did see up and down that as black.
Interesting. So you not getting a picture of him?
No, I know. Based on which part me did there, it would look obvious if I try to take a picture of him.
Alright. Anything else? Tonian, I know class you know.
Well, Masu give me one card for pastor number. Says she want me to join the youth program.
No, that is it. Yeah, man. Now that is good news.
Bubbles. And next thing too. She da look for me like she know me. She asked me my name and she asked me about my mother.
Yes, certainly. That's interesting. Very interesting. Excuse me. Hello? Yes, Aaron. Aaron, where you want to talk? Let me ask you something. Where could go through this again?
May I go to the bathroom?
Aaron, listen. We had something good going first. It never worked out and you just decide say, you know, you're gonna find somebody else. No, you disrespect me twice for that same person there. And this is what you want to know because that person is not around anymore. Are you? No, Aaron, you cannot come to the house. This is pointless, Aaron. Yes, they're my house now, Aaron, so I can't talk to you now. Yeah, me talk to you. Guys, may I go on the road? I'll soon come back. Whisper. Roll with me. Tonya. Stick this.
Some can't come like come here sleep now.
Tonya, stay home and watch some A&E and some detective movie. Whisper, grab the key and come.
Who that?
You're on.
Angie?